We just got here to the Boone Cocoon, and this place is unlike anything else. So let me take you on a tour. We are Nikki and Hayden, the creators behind Journey More, a young married couple and future van lifers bringing you Airbnbs and adventures. In this video, we explore the Boone Cocoon in Boone, North Carolina. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on all the fun. When you walk up, you see your cocoon that you are sleeping in for the night, and it is so cool. I can't wait to show you on the inside. But first, we'll check out the deck where you have a bunch of amenities. So you have a green turf path that leads you all the way up to this incredible deck among the trees. So on this deck, you have a little seating area covered by an awning next to a fire pit that you can have on the deck. Over here is a little table, perfect for dining, as well as a cooler to store some food and a grill to cook some yummy things. Something neat about this place is you can enjoy this during the day or night because they have these little things called bio lights that hook up into this little light right here that can also turn on. So you should have plenty of lighting all throughout your stay. Coming around here, you have a little stone pathway leading to your cocoon. The owner built this rope bridge that brings you all the way across to the cocoon pod suspended in the trees. Your pathway is also lit by little bio lights so you can see at night. And then the coolest part, inside your cocoon. You do have to crawl in. Woo! Whoa. This is where you sleep the night. You are fully encapsulated in this white dome cocoon, and you've got this really comfortable pad to sleep on. You just need to make sure to bring like sleeping bags or blankets and pillows and just anything to make you feel more comfortable in here. It's essentially camping in a swinging cocoon dome in the trees.
And just a quick note, we are here in July and we're in the dome in the heat of the day, and it's really not hot in here at all. There's a lot of shade from the trees, and then we're also at 3,500 feet of elevation. It feels amazing right now. So let's continue the tour.
So underneath the deck, you've got this huge bin that has all of your extra amenities that you'll need while you're here. That includes towels, hand towels, napkins, bowls, utensils, cutting boards. So if you want to cook food and make a meal here, they do have things for you, which is awesome. They've got a couple jugs of water too to make sure you stay hydrated. Spices. They're just like a bunch of little goodies in here essentially for you to use while you're here during your stay.
Sweet.
That's about everything that they have in here. Back down the turf. And then just around the corner from your pod is the shower. Got plenty of room, and you feel like you're amongst the nature. They even provide soap, which is fantastic. And then there is a sink as well, which is right here. And they do have hot water for your shower and with this little sink, so if you need to wash things up, and you're good to go. And then the bathroom is a porta potty that is over that way. So your bathroom and your shower are very close to your little pod, so that completes the tour.
Okay, let's go fill up the cocoon with our stuff.
Oh my god!
That's definitely the coolest part. We got our little makeshift bed. Throw down this big old blanket.
It's very warm. We may not even need it.
Earlier today, we met our host, Clayton. He shared the story and the inspiration behind this cocoon. He and his wife stumbled upon this land and actually bought it at auction. They thought that they were buying 2 acres, but actually ended up getting 10 more acres. And they knew that they wanted to do something with this to give people an incredible mountain experience. They started to research Airbnbs and popular options like container homes, tiny houses, and they eventually found these cocoons, and he actually had to have a tree expert come out and inspect the trees around it just to see where he could put the bolts in and suspend the cables. That way it could hold all the weight that you could possibly put in it. But the coolest part is this is the first of many. They've actually bought multiple cocoons and domes that they're gonna put all around this property to make a full Airbnb retreat. And some of the cocoons, he said, are black on the bottom half and then clear on the entire top half. So when you get in, you feel like you're literally hanging in the trees. And we can't wait to come back and experience those and hopefully make some videos for you guys, because this place is unlike any other that we've been to or even seen. So you definitely need to book a stay here. It is incredible. But now it's time for dinner. All right, what are we eating?
Wait for it. Peanut butter and honey.
No surprise.
We have light.
This is probably the coolest marshmallow roasting stick I have ever seen.
Wow. How's that caramello?
Alright. Oh.
You ready for bed?
I am. This is comfortable. Ah, that's awesome. We haven't had a shower for a few days, so I think that's what we're gonna do first thing. Wow.
That feels so nice. That shower felt amazing. Now we're gonna go meet my parents for some brunch. Then we're gonna go on the Mile High Bridge in Grandfather State Park. So let's go. I think they're awesome.
They're pretty fun.
Am I turning more advertising?
Oh yeah. We just got done eating at Our Daily Bread. It was a delicious sandwich shop to Grandfather Mountain State Park. Walking the bridge. Jump, jump. What do you think?
It's awesome.
This is so cool.
I think my mom felt me make it shake. She's not a fan of height.
Yeah. We made it.
You did it. With my parents, hanging out with them, and had such a good time, and are about to go to bed.
Good night. We are now headed out from the Cocoon here in Boone, North Carolina. This stay was unlike any other we've done before. We absolutely loved it and would highly recommend.
It's really fun. I would say bringing kids here would be a fantastic idea because it's such an adventure.
And it's in a great location with beautiful hikes. We are headed to do the Profile Trail right now, which is probably one of the most intense hikes we have ever done. So we are super stoked about that. You can watch that video over here, but we will leave a link in the description below so that you can book the Cocoon for yourself. Be sure to like the video, comment down below. We'd love to hear what you think. and subscribe to the channel. That way you don't miss out on new amazing Airbnbs and adventures every week. But for now,
come journey more with us.
and we'll see you next time.
So underneath the desk, you've got the desk.
Hello. Ooh, you're beautiful.
Thank you.
Here's this fire pit. Lights, camera, action. Oh. Fuzzies on the lens. Now you can see me nice. Yo. They're not doing it. Practically live out of our car.
We do this so much, don't we?
We do. Maybe we should buy a Sprinter van or something and convert it.
Maybe we should.